So welcome everyone to the Creating Interactive Content with H5P workshop. So today we'll be going over what is H5P, why use it, different examples of what you can build through this tool, and then we're going to have you guys start creating your own content. I'm not going to spend too much time on the first 3 points just because I want to have you guys maybe playing with the tool as quickly as possible. But I will give you a brief overview of what it is and why, just to give you a framework of what you'll be using. So, what is H5P? H5P is a tool for creating interactive content. These content types can range anywhere between quizzes, hotspots, interactive videos, simulations, and anywhere in between. Why use H5P? So H5P has a very robust library of tools of content types that you can utilize. They have over 40, I believe. So they give you more variety. And studies also show that interactive content can promote active learning and engagement with learning materials. So I'm just going to give you guys 2 very basic examples of what the tool is, or of how you can use the tool. So here I'm using an interactive tool form that me and April collaborated on, and we can send it out in an email after this workshop if you guys are interested in it. So here, and also I just want to make a quick note for the accessibility of this tool. Even though most of the content types with H5P are accessible, there are some that aren't. So this checklist, if you click on this link, it'll give you a checklist of the tools that are, of the content types that are not. Just so you can keep that in your mind. So this is an interactive video that created through H5P. So this video was pulled from TED-Ed, and it's very useful to use TED-Ed videos because they also have they have the questions already available to you, so you can just integrate them into the video. And these little circles down here, these are they tell you where the questions are in the videos. So I'm just going to only go up to the first one.
Billy Pilgrim can't sleep because he knows aliens will arrive to abduct him in 1 hour. He knows the aliens are coming because he has become unstuck in time, causing him to experience events out of chronological order. Over the course of Kurt Vonnegut's Slaughterhouse 5, he hops back and forth between a childhood trip to the Grand Canyon, his life as a middle-aged optometrist, his captivity in an intergalactic zoo, the humiliations he endured as a war prisoner, and more. The title of Slaughterhouse 5 and much of its source material came from Vonnegut's own experiences in World War II. As a prisoner of war, he lived in a former slaughterhouse in Dresden, where he took refuge in an underground meat locker while Allied forces bombed the city.
So here you can see that this is an interaction point. So if you click on it, you can have a question, and then students can select what they think the right answer will be. So I'm just going to go ahead and just choose A. And actually, I think, yeah. And so that was the correct answer, so they got this instantaneous feedback that they selected the right choice. And then they can continue.
When he and the other prisoners
So scrolling beneath this video, this is an example of a column created through H5P. And these are little multiple choice quizzes, or you can do drag or drops, but I'll go into more details. So a student can see this, and what the question is, which type of interaction is most important for student learning? I'm going to go ahead and just choose the wrong answer, student content. I can check my answer. And they receive that instantaneous feedback that this answer is incorrect and why. And they can also just select show solution, and they'll see that multimodal interaction was the correct answer, and they can retry. This is another example of true or false and drag and drop. So moving on. So this is just a Padlet that April and I created when we did a presentation on H5P for Blackboard World. I'm going to have you guys start creating your accounts on H5P so we can start building content together. Just so you guys know, if you guys are kind of stuck on what you want to create, these are some examples. So one of them could be a hotspot of places to visit or things to do in Miami. Another option can be a fun trivia using the quiz content type. Or you can just create a content type of your choice to share your subject matter expertise on, or just a content type that shows your passions or hobbies. So we're going to go to, let me just go to h5p.org. I'm going to log out so I can go to, okay. So you should see something that says create free account, and you're going to click on this. And then you're going to fill out these fields, and then you'll have an account. And then myself and the rest of the DLI team will be walking around to help you guys, should you have any questions, give you ideas, let you know how to use the tool.
Resource available for us, like right within the content type. If we would like to view a tutorial, we can do so. Or if we would like to see an example, we can do the same thing as well. So we can see the user interactions of that particular content type.
We don't have one for DLI yet. We want one. Cool.
And from there, we can discern if that actually fits.
This is cool.
That's great.
You can check that.